Hi everyone. In this tutorial we will learn to use hyperlinks in Google Slide. We will make a Google Slide presentation, in which you can see the picture of the flag of the country, by clicking on the country name. You can also go back to the countries list by clicking on the Go Back button. We will start with designing the title slide of this presentation. Follow the steps to design the title slide. Add a title and a subtitle. Click on Add New Slide button and choose the title and body layout. Type the heading text for this slide. Type a list of the country names in the text box below the heading. Add a new slide of title and body layout. Now we are designing the slide for the first country in our list, that is, Australia. Type Australia in the title box. Click on Image menu, go to the Image option and select Search from Web. Type Australia flag to search for the picture of Australian flag. Select the picture that you want to insert. Click on Insert button to insert the selected picture on your slide. Resize the picture to fit properly on the slide. Right-click on the slide and choose Duplicate Slide option to make a duplicate of this slide. Now we have slide number 4 also, which is a duplicate copy of slide number 3. Change the name of the country according to the list you typed on slide number 2. Delete the picture of Australian flag, and replace it with the flag of the country name you typed in title box. Repeat the same steps as before, to insert the picture of the flag. Make the duplicate slide, and edit it accordingly, for each country name that you have typed on slide number 2. Now we have 5 slides, with country name and their flag pictures. What we want is, if someone clicks on Australia, then slide with picture of Australian flag must appear on the screen. To do this, select the name Australia with mouse. Go to Insert menu, and choose the option, Link. Click on Slides in this presentation. This will open a list of all the slides in your presentation. Title of each slide will appear in the list. Select slide number 3, because this is the slide containing Australian flag picture. You have successfully changed the name Australia into a hyperlink. Repeat the same steps for the next country, India. Select the country name. Go to Insert menu and choose the option, Link. Click on Slides in this presentation. This time select the slide with the title, India. Repeat the same sequence of steps to change all names into hyperlinks. Don't forget to choose the correct slide from the list. Now all the names have been changed to hyperlinks. Now we will add a back button to go back to the country's list slide. Select slide number 3. Go to Insert menu. Go to Shapes option, and then go to Arrows. Select the curved up arrow. Draw the arrow on a blank area on the slide. Type the text, Go back. Select the Go Back button. Go to Insert menu, and choose the option, Link. Click on Slides in this presentation. This will open a list of all the slides in your presentation. Title of each slide will appear in the list. Select slide number 2. Select the Go Back button. Click on Edit menu. Select Copy to copy the selected button. Select slide number 4. Click on Edit menu. Select the Paste option to paste the copied button on this slide. Go Back button has been inserted on this slide also. Repeat the same sequence of steps to copy-paste the Go Back button on the remaining 3 slides also. Let's run this presentation by clicking on the Present button. Click on any country name to see the flag picture on the linked slide. Click on the Go Back button to go back to the country's list slide. Singapore flag picture is not clearly visible due to the white background color. Let's make it clearly visible. Click on the flag picture. Click Format Options button. Select the drop shadow box to apply a drop shadow to the picture. This will make the picture clearly visible on the white background. Repeat the same sequence of steps to apply a drop shadow to all the pictures in the presentation. Click on the Themes button to open a list of color themes that can be applied to the slides in the presentation. Select the theme you like to apply it on the slides. Adjust the pictures as required to fit the slide layouts. Type the text you want for the hyperlink. Open YouTube and search for the video that you want to link. Play the video, right-click and choose Copy Video URL to copy the video link. Go back to the Google Slide window. Select the hyperlink text on the slide. Go to Insert menu, and choose the option, Link. Right-click in the link text box and choose Paste option from the menu. Click on the YouTube link to connect it with the hyperlink text. Click on the link in the slide to open the YouTube video in a new window.